Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we will see how to find the Moodle version if you are in a teacher role. So if you have logged in as a teacher, first of all what we'll do, we'll go to the course. This could be any course. You can navigate to any course. Now scroll at the bottom and see that link documentation for this page. Now when you click on this link, it will navigate you to Moodle documentation page. Here you can easily identify what version of Moodle it is. For example, here in the YouTube video it says Moodle 4.4, so it means it's a 4.4 version. Another way to detect Moodle version is on the right side of the screen options here. If you can see my mouse, it's 4.4 docs, so that is again one. And then in the link it's 404, so 404 is not an error here, it's a version. 404 is like 4.4. Now if I change this 404 to, let's say, 501, it will navigate me to another version, that is 5.1. See the documentation, now it says 5.1. So as a teacher, this is how you can find out your Moodle version. In the next video, I'll let you know how to find Moodle version as admin. As admin, it's very easy. So keep following me, subscribe to my channel, and I hope this video has helped you. Thank you. Have a good one.